Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again. Today we have Dalmatians versus Smurfs. We are gonna use these Steely balls, and we have a 20-foot track, and on this track you'll see we have Smurfs and Dalmatians. 8 on either side with the finish line. I'm going to set this camera up so you can see what happens when we send down Steely balls. Those metal balls that I was just showing you are called Steely balls. 2 metal balls. They are original pinballs from the old-fashioned pinball games. We have Dalmatians in lane 1 and we have Smurfs in lane 2. Samson, who do you got?
I have SMURFS.
You're taking the Smurfs, huh? All right, I'll take some Dalmatians. Hopefully it makes it through. Ready, set, race! Dalmatians has made it the furthest. Samson, since your Smurfs is still standing, why don't you take a golf ball and see what you can take out? 1. Try another one. See if you take out 2 at a time. There's 2. How many golf balls you got left? Oh, there you go! All right, one more. Go ahead. Well, that was fun. We just do some things just for fun. Appreciate you tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Please subscribe.
People
Grab that camera, Sam.